Hello, my name is Bob Evans and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about timber crib block wall repairs. The video is about 3 minutes long. First of all, let me show you a number of failed timber crib block walls. The first one is based in Dudley. The tall section has previously been replaced with a concrete crib wall. The rest of the wall has poor access, being behind the gardens, and a poor access solution is required. The next one was based in Dewsbury, West Yorkshire. As you can see, the wall has had a major collapse. The problem again is very poor access, and again a poor access solution is required. The next one is in Gloucestershire, and again the same problem with access. And finally, this one is in North Wales, Menai, near Bangor. Access is good on this project and several solutions are available. The main cause of the failure is rotten timber headers that go from the front to the back of the crib frames. Rot is due to poor infill stone that is full of fines. The material stays damp, rotting the timber. Timber crib walls are sold to last 60 years. This is only the case if the timbers are treated correctly and the stone fill is allowed to drain. From our experience, many walls fail in less than 12 years. There are a few options to repair the wall. Number 1. Demolish the existing wall and rebuild it using concrete or a plastic eco-crib retaining wall. Budget cost £900 a square metre. Access to the retained earth land is required. Option 2. Build a king post retaining wall at the toe of the existing wall. This is a very slim solution, about 200mm, but needs heavy plant and good access. Budget £600 a metre square. 3. Build a Gabion basket against the existing wall. Budget £400 a square metre. This is okay for small heights of about 2 metres. When heights get greater than 2 metres, it uses a lot of space. 4. Soil nail and build an earthbag against the existing wall. Budget £500 a metre square. This is a good solution when access is poor and uses about 400mm of space. Actual cost will depend on access and the scale of the project. These are images of what the vegetated wall looks like. The bags weigh approximately 38 kilograms each when filled, and they are non-biodegradable. These images show you how the soil nails are driven into the bank. And these images show you the steel mesh and soil nails. You can also see the area being covered with stone Gabion baskets. And finally what the wall looks like with no covering. The next step is to tell us about your project. Complete the form on the page below and we will contact you within a few hours. Thanks for watching this presentation. Bye for now.